Let's be on the record in case number 2019CR1344, captioned State of Kansas versus Dennis Kiser. Would the parties announce their appearances?
May it please the court, Your Honor, the state of Kansas appears by Crystalline Oswald, Deputy District Attorney.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Mr. Kiser appears by video and with counsel Chris Scott.
All right. So we were planning today to appear in person for a preliminary hearing setting. However, Mr. Scott has found himself quarantined due to the pandemic, and so he asked if we could proceed by way of video conference today. And my understanding, Mr. Scott, is it's your client's intent to waive prelim today. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. Him and I had a lengthy discussion about that, about his right to preliminary hearing and what it means, and we discussed the evidence in this case that at this point he would be willing to waive his right to a preliminary hearing.
All right. Mr. Kiser, you heard what your lawyer had to say. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Now, so he's gone over everything with you about what a prelim is and your right to it. And you understand if, let's say, this case doesn't get worked out like you think it should or something like that, you're retaining all your other rights, but you're not going to be able to come back and take back your waiver of prelim at a later time. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Ms. Oswald, on behalf of the state, you waive prelim as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I'm going to find that the defendant has and state have both waived preliminary hearing. Find that there is probable cause, crime's been committed, defendant committed the crime, will be bound over for trial. Mr. Scott, waive formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty.
Yes, Judge.
So be it. Mr. Scott wanted a few weeks and set it for a prelim slash plea, I'm sorry, a pretrial slash plea setting. Yeah, hard to say. Let's look at, how about August 11th at 9:30? Mr. Scott?
Can we go either the week before or week after?
Either one's fine.
The 4th is fine. 4th at 9:30, Ms. Oswald?
Sounds good.
All right, so we will set this for a pretrial conference or a plea at 9:30 in the morning on August 4th. Other things for our record today?
That's in the state, Your Honor.
We are adjourned. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.